Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Importance: make careful note of the mylar strip for when you place a new strip of mylar during the replacement procedure. Remove the strip of mylar from the system board. Carefully remove the memory shield from the clips on the system board. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press the memory module down to latch the arms. Carefully place the memory shield into the clips on the system board. Place a new strip of mylar into position on the system board. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.